Alright, there we go. Doing an oil change on this car right here. And then later doing an oil change on this truck.
Check your parts right now. Well, that was fucking smooth.
That was a lot smoother than I thought it would go.
Smoothest it's ever been for me.
There we go.
So that worked pretty good.
Okay. For some reason. There it is.
It's a small ass fucking engine.
Yeah. That's a
What
K24
the
Z3.
hell?
Yeah, a little bit corrosion. It's okay though. It's okay.
Where's your VTEC badge?
I don't have VTEC.
Man.
The K24 don't need VTEC.
That's weird, it's your oil.
Yeah. It comes stock from factory with a strut bar. Alright, let's get this done. Go grab your oil pan. I think mine's full.
Do. Oil penis. Smells burnt.
Is there stuff in it? Oh no, there's not.
Not much, just whatever is left in the four-wheeler. Help it drain faster. Take this off. Don't lose this.
Set it up there.
It smells oily.
Well,
Yeah, hey, look, okay, look, I ain't got the time for you, oh no, get up on my face, I ain't got a dime for you, oh no, bitch, I'm getting paid, she said I ride for you, oh no, stay inside your lane, she said I die for you, oh no, baby, I'm okay, I ain't got the time for you,
Alright, so we put the oil in first, then we pull the drain plug. Just kidding, guys, don't do that.
let me get everything out of my thing.
I wonder where his filter's at.
Alright, let's get down there, brother.
Whoa, my coins! Man, what the hell? Where'd that come from?
What the hell?
Can't lose these. Precious money. That was a quarter.
Gotta
That
save every
would have
penny.
sucked. Oh, penny.
Ow, head, ow. Okay. So the GoPro died. So we finished the other job while it was charging. Now we're starting up on the Chevy. All right, there we go. We already got it up on the ramps. Haven't done anything else yet. So.
How does that? It's either 4.5 quarts or 6 quarts. 5.3 V8, 6 quarts. All right.
Okay. 6 quarts. You got 6 quarts?
Oh, do I have 6 quarts? 6 or 7 quarts.
Ooh, 6, 7, 6, 7.
6 right here. This makes it 7.
Ooh, 6, 7, 6, 7.
High mileage oil stabilizer.
Okay.
Because my truck is high mileage.
How many miles it got?
That's the clue. Doesn't matter.
It's classified. Okay.
238,000.
God damn. That's a lot of fucking miles there, bud. That Vortec engine.
V80.
V8.
The Walmart battery.
Let's get this oil change done. Come on. Fuck your fuses. I don't care about your fuses.
Alright, well, we gotta make some room in this.
How much oil is in it?
Yours took 4.
How many quarts can that hold?
Right now, there's 5 quarts in it.
How much can it hold in total?
15 quarts, we're good.
Okay, yeah, we'll be aight. I hope. Just leave that in there for now.
Take this right down in there.
She's just sitting up in that Jeep. Oh my god! Anna sent me a snap. 11 minutes ago.
Righty, righty.
Oh man, what's wrong with my car?
Damn. There's a lot more fucking room.
Yeah. You're a truck, bud. It's not a little 4-banger.
I've never been under here. Why is there so much oil?
You're a little bit rusty.
Why is there so much oil?
I don't know. Are you leaking oil?
I don't think so. It's like there's oil coming from up here.
Yeah, forget about it. That's not what we're looking for. Forget about it. Make sure you do your oil, not your transmission.
Yeah.
Okay?
Alrighty, boys. Make sure everything's good. Let's not strip it. I think I'm going the wrong way. I don't know which way to go. Oh, got it. Roll my fuck. Did I just round it off?
Are you dead ass?
No.
This is like a pretty good angle. Only if it was up. There we go.
Dang, that's some dark shit.
Taste it. That looks dark.
Why does it look red?
Is that? Oh, that's your trans, I think. Your trans is red. Oh, God. Hand me the pan. I know what trans looks like. I know what trans looks like. Hey, give me the pan. Give me the pan. I think that's your trans fluid.
Well, then where the...
I think.
Well, my oil filter's right here.
That might be...
No, because my trans is back this...
Okay, yeah, that... I guess that's your engine fluid. It just looks really red.
Well, that's not good. That means my... No. That's not how that works. Well, let's just take a little trip back here and make sure... Okay. Here's my transmission. Yeah. You want to come back here and look at this? Why is this bolt so far out? Do you want to come here?
Hold on, let me move this out the way. Let me wipe.
Just come over on this side.
Okay, hold on, let me wipe down my hand.
Just don't show them mine.
Huh?
Don't show them
They've already seen the exhaust.
Okay, well, don't show them again.
Well, let me take a bite out of my food real quick. I'm hungry. Hold on.
My hand kind of smells like a Slim Jim. That's the drain.
That looks like a diff. Like your...
No, this is my transfer case.
Yeah.
That's my transfer case.
Your drain pan for your trans is up there a little bit.
This is my transmission.
That's your trans. Right there, that's your trans, man. Where's the drain plug at for?
I don't know. That looks pretty transmission-y to me.
Huh. Huh. Really?
When does your dad get out of work?
I don't know.
What's that?
I don't know. I'm not a.
Oh wait, maybe right here. Well, that's weird. I don't know why it'd be under the skid plate. Yeah. Okay. So this goes back to. I think this just makes it 4-wheel drive.
Yeah, it does. That's what makes it 4-wheel drive.
It's got shit written on it, so I think.
Some trucks have a second oil filter for the trans.
Well,
Does yours have that?
Is it?
Did you research anything before you started doing this?
I researched what the fuck kind of oil to use.
I need to. I don't know. That looks like you're trans. Fucking. I don't know.
FaceTime Dad.
Starting a FaceTime call to Dad.
I don't know how we're gonna fucking tighten that shit.
You're just a little sissy boy.
My fucking fingers are big.
Oh! Grab the pan! Grab the pan! Well, shit.
It's okay. We're just oil coating your driveway so it doesn't rust.
In my shirt. In my hands.
Well,
Look at me.
damn.
Holy fuck.
We're gonna let that drain for a little bit.
Dude, show my hands.
Looks like you just committed a murder.
Literally.
Did you just murder my truck?
Oh my lord. It's in my hair. I just touched my hair on accident. Holy lord. That's red. Look at it. Okay, okay, do me a favor. Get the garage door for me. I'm gonna, and then turn on the sink for me as well. Hurry up, Eli. She's dripping everywhere. I don't want it on the floor. Close the door. Go grab the Dawn. It's under the sink.
So yes, turf. I don't see no fucking Dawn. Dish liquid?
No!
This is Dawn!
No, it's not! It's a blue bottle.
It's literally.
Spray it. Alright. Might need some more. Spray it on my arm. Oh damn, that shit's cold. I might take that out of the video.
Watch the dog. Take Nike.
Hi, puppy. Hi, puppy.
You'll be alright.
And I want to drain my coolant because it smells like fish.
You'll be alright. Alright, fill it up.
You gotta put the plug back on, torque it down, put the filter. Stabilizer, and then we'll check it every once in a while. It's 6 on the dot. Six
on the dot.
quarts on the
Okay.
dot. Just hold that for me.
I got you, baby. Oh, the stabilizer?
Yeah.
Where's it at? Oh, right there.
Because I accidentally opened it. There's no way to close it.
You gotta put all that in there?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's green. It looks kind of cool. I like that color. Just take the cap off.
No, because it like backs up.
I'll check.
I'm lubing up my damn truck. Wrong pocket. Make sure it's not my mom.
Wearing Grace's friend.
What did he say?
I don't know.
1960.
1960. What does it smell like?
Tell him oil. Tell him it smells like just straight up oil. I talked to my friend's dad, and he said that it looks fine, and to just go on with the oil change. Or you can just do it and I'll talk into it.
Plug.
What? Golly. How much stuff is in here?
Okay, I said, it smells like straight up oil. I talked to my friend's dad and showed him what plug we pulled, and he said that it was the right plug, and said to continue doing the oil change.
Yeah, that's right.
Why do you have 390 messages? My
I
God.
don't talk to people. I don't like talking to people. My family, you, Kevin, and then like Warren, I'll answer.
300.
I don't answer people that aren't important.
390 text messages. Holy shit. It's the people like you that piss me off.
No, because I answer you.
I guess that's true.
I only answer the people that are like really important.
That's fair. Alright, what now?
Trashy can. And then we're gonna wash the rest of it down.
Oh shit. Yeah, keep getting it all over the concrete.
It's okay. It's good for the concrete. Wash it down with some more oil ale.
Don't overfill it.
Alright, let's check the dipstick.
Ugh. Why is it all gooey?
Look like that?
It's all gooey. Ew.
What does Lucas oil stabilizer supposed to look like?
Here's an answer
Thick,
from
sticky, and dark.
RockTheShore.com.
Oh, okay. Well, it was
I don't
green.
see sticky in your contacts.
What is Lucas oil stabilizer supposed to look like?
Here's an answer from RockTheShore.com.
What does Lucas oil stabilizer look like?
Here's an answer from RockTheShore.com.
What's up? I gotta dump all this away. Whew. Make sure y'all recycle. A little oily. Alright. Start her up.
Pray for me.
I'm praying. Can't wait to see a piston shootout. Sounds fine. Nothing's dripping. Just let it. Don't go too crazy on it though.
I'm washing my oil. Two, 3, 6, 9, 3, 9.
Oil pressure looks good. Give it some like baby revs. Hold it at 2,000. All right. Little baby pops too. All right. There we go. Maybe unchalk it real quick. You're good. Yeah. I think she's good.